Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you basic ballet barre vocabulary with demonstration for beginners. I'm going to be teaching you what I believe to be the top exercises done at the bar that you must know, vocabulary and demonstration. Saying that, let's get to it. Our first step is plie, which means to bend, and in ballet we can find two different plie. We have demi-plie, which is a small flexion of legs, and we have grand plie, which is a big flexion of legs. Next we have relevé, which means to rise. This is a rising action that ends all the way over the ball of your foot. Next we have tendu. Tendu is an extension of the legs in which your toes will never leave the ground. It can be done forward, to the side, to the back. Next we have rondéant, which means round of leg. It can be done unders, outwards or away from the supporting legs, or ended done inwards towards the supporting leg. Next we have jeté, or you may also know as a degagé, and it means to throw. Unlike tendu, degagé is an extension of leg in which your toes are going to leave the ground with a dynamic accent around 25 degrees out of the ground. It can be done again forward, to the side and to the back. Next we have fondu, which means to melt, and it's my favorite exercise done on the bar. Involves a demi-plie, which is going to give that sensation of melting and a stretch all the way up to a stretched leg in the air 45 degrees off the ground. And our last step is developpé, which means to develop. It's a continued movement of the leg that goes through coup de pied all the way up to passé, a step to unfold to attitude, and ends en l'air with the leg really straight and really high.